Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Violet Voss Best of Life Palette 1. If you are new to my channel, my first impressions reviews basically consist of me trying to put as many eyeshadows as possible on my eyeballs as I can, but I don't think I'm going to put all the glitters because there's a lot of glitters in this. So let me go ahead and show you the palette. This is what it looks like outside of the box. Say I have all of these glitters. Probably I'm only going to use like a couple glitters just because it's a lot. But then the second half of the palette looks like this. And of course you got the mirror at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of this and I will be right back. Okay, so this is everything swatched. I did not do a very good job. It's pretty much twisted. Can you see it? Anyway, so this is the eyeshadow itself up top here. It's a good mix of mattes and shimmers, which is really good. And the glitters here, you can see, clearly I've got stuff on my fingers still, but you can see they're very, very pretty, but they actually swatched very, very differently too. So that's kind of interesting. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started and see what happens to my face. The first color we are going to go in with is this one right here. I think I'm going to go in with this one right here. So I think I'm going to go in with this color here and this color here. No, I'm wrong. I'm going to go in with the purple. That's what I'm going to go in with. So I think I'm going to use this color right here now. And I'm going to go darker with this one right here. Okay, so I think now I'm going to go in with this color here. I'm going to go back over the other shade with this one right here. Okay, so I'm going to buff the eyes out a little bit with that color right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go with this holiday color here. And then I'm going to go back over it with this sparkly purple here. Alright, so now I'm going to start layering under the eyes with this color right here. So now I'm going to take this gold color and go on top of underneath the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this color right here. I think that's the last shade I haven't used. Well, no, maybe I haven't used that one too. I'm going to use those two underneath the eyes so I can say I've used all of them. So I'm gonna pick 2 glitters, and I think the first glitter I'm gonna use is this one right here. I think for the other color, I'm gonna go with this kind of raspberry looking color here. Okay, so we got the eyeshadow done. We are moving into eyeliner. I am going to use my cargo liner for the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. For top liner, I'm using Josephine. On, and we are going to use Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. There is the mascara. For lip color, I'm going to go in with Beauty Bakery in Rose Pose. There's the finished look. So let's go ahead and talk about the palette. So loving the glitter, because y'all know I love my glitter. And then there's this. Okay, this part I have to say something about because there was a little kick up. You see that right there and there? But it wasn't bad. The shades did apply very smooth, very creamy, and I found difficulty making all those shades work on my eyes. And to me, that's a good thing, because when there's a lot of diversity and depth in a palette like that, and you can't use all the colors like that, that means you're gonna get more looks out of it than you would a palette where all the colors blend together. So I am loving that. Other than that, I don't really have anything else to say about this palette other than I love it, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.